up? My name is Haley. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you did not know, now you do. Hey you guys, what's up? So, as you can tell, I'm in my closet, y'all. I didn't have enough time because the light is shining beautifully outside, and I just wanted to use this opportunity to film inside, and I wanted natural daylight, so yeah, we're gonna have to be in my closet. And also, I didn't want to wait any longer to film this video because this package has been sitting in my house for almost a week now, and I wanted to wait to unbox everything on camera. So, as you can tell from the title, I'm going to be unboxing something from LV. It's a very common item. It's one of the most affordable things on their website, but I've been wanting this for a while now. So yeah, let me get right into it. Let me find the box, you guys. If my closet is a little messy, sorry about that. This was very spontaneous of me to film this video, but here is the box. This is what it came in. I'm trying to make sure that my address is not shown because I don't want y'all to see where I live for the 50th time. Open it up. I think all Louis Vuitton boxes come with like this little pull tab. I already opened it like that to see what it was. I didn't remember what I ordered, and then I saw it and I was like, oh my gosh, I forgot I got this. So I think you open it like this. Ooh. Dun, 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 dun. Oh my gosh. Yeah. I shouldn't be getting this excited because it's seriously something so small. They put it in a very big box, but it's something so small and really not that, I guess, practical, but whatever. Okay, let me take it out. Okay, so this is how it came packaged. Oh, well, let me put this down. It came with this. I believe this is like the receipt, the return label, and I don't know what else is in there, but yeah, this is how it came in the box, you guys. I think this is like something to write if it's a gift or something, a little tag. You guys can let me know in the comment section what you think it is. I'm pretty sure everyone can guess what it is. It's not a bag, so that should give you an example. And it's not something, I mean, people wear it as a bag, but I'm not going to be wearing it as a bag. But yeah, you take everything out. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Maybe I'll use this for my hair. Would that be would that be horrible if I use this in my hair, y'all? Probably. But yeah, let me see if there's anything written inside. No, I think it's just honestly if you want to write to someone like, I love you, you're doing amazing, sweetie, getting it as a gift. I mean, I would gladly accept this as a gift. So yeah, here you go. Open it. There's nothing. That's why I said this big old box for this small thing. Maybe they were running out of boxes. Y'all ready? Y'all should already know what it is. This is the wonderful, coveted, highly sought after toiletry pouch 26. When it comes to Louis, getting this is very difficult, and I don't know why. I think they're going to discontinue it maybe because this is what they did to the favorite before they discontinued it. They made it very hard to find. It always came in and out of stock, which I find it to be so sad if they discontinue this because I feel like this is such an iconic piece. The reason that I wanted this so bad is because I saw a picture of Diana. I think she was in France or somewhere on vacation, and she had this underneath her arm, and I was like, I love this. And so yeah, I just think it's an awesome piece of also Louis Vuitton history. It comes with the little textile card. What it is, it's coated fabric, cowhide leather trim, and a man-made lining. I think that if you know Louis Vuitton, or even if you've just started learning about Louis Vuitton, you know about this bag, or it's not a bag, it's a toiletry pouch. You know what it looks like on the inside. You know what it looks like on the outside. What I want to use this for is in the future, when I go traveling, when, you know, the whole panorama is done, I want to use this for when I go to the beach, when I go to get drinks somewhere, not like out at night, but a lot of times when I go to beaches, I end up at a beach that has like a bar or a resort type area, and I like to keep everything that I need. So sunscreen, sunglasses, phones, headphones, and then money or a wallet if needed, and that's it. I don't know how people can take these big bags to the beach. I hate that. I wanted to basically use it as a catch-all because I don't really have one. I have a makeup catch-all, but a nice, I guess, heavy-duty catch-all that I can use for the purpose of traveling I don't have. So for me, it was money well spent because the ones I was looking at that were not name brand were like $100. So then I was like, oh, if I spend a little money, I can get something that's a name brand luxury. So that's what I did. This is what it looks like. I ordered the 19 as well. And I think I ordered the 15 as well to see every size and like compare them. And I liked the 26 the most. I mean, I just opened it now, but when I opened the 15 and the 19, I wasn't really impressed at, I guess, the difference and what could fit inside. And I was thinking to myself, because there's a €30 difference between this one and the 19, and what can fit in the 19 or what can fit in the 26 compared to the 19 is like an exponential amount of stuff. There was no logical explanation as to why I would get the 19, unless you were getting it to fit in another bag for that specific purpose. But for traveling and carrying stuff, I felt like this just made more sense. And for me, I'm not really small in the sense of wideness and lengthiness. So I'm like 5'8", 5'9", like 175, 176 centimeters. And even with, I felt like the 19 or the 15 looked like a mini bag on me, like a little mini baby toiletry case. And this actually, when I put it underneath, doesn't look so horrible. So yeah, that's what it looks like, you guys. I feel like this video is quick. Maybe I'll do a what's in my bag. I can show you maybe here. I'll take a perfume from behind me just to give you guys a preview of what sort of fits inside of it. This is my Coco Mademoiselle. I think this is the 100 milliliter bottle, and then we'll take it, put it right inside, and then you can see how much more space is inside. I think if you put too much in here though, that it might get too heavy and it might be too bulky. But I think that if you can organize everything properly, it'll be perfect. I think I might get an organizer for it as well. I don't know if I'm gonna wear it as a clutch, not a clutch, but a crossbody as everyone makes it into be one. For me, it doesn't look that nice as a crossbody, but to each his own. I think it's a very creative idea, and I think it's really cool. And I also think that if you can turn this into a decent looking bag, you're getting a Louis Vuitton bag for a very affordable price compared to what the equivalent is of this in a bag. The advice I can give you guys though for getting this bag, because everyone talks about how it's always out of stock and you can never find it, what I do and what I have noticed, and I think a lot of people have as well have noticed this, is that you can sometimes, you know, once in a blue moon, you can notify yourself when this bag comes back in stock. The button is only available sometimes on the website. I've checked the United States website on Louis Vuitton, other countries' websites or landing pages for Louis Vuitton, and they're also the same thing. Sometimes there's a notify me when available button, sometimes not. But what I have noticed is that around 2 to 5 a.m., wherever you are located, is when this bag becomes available. I have had the option to purchase this bag 5 times, and it's always been at around 2 to 5 a.m. that they have notified me. And I did this in the United States as well, and they've also notified me at around 2 to 5 a.m. where I'm at. I don't know what it is, if they're working overnight, if they're working 24 hours, but I've always been notified late at night that this bag is available. This pouch, this cosmetic case, I don't know, is available to purchase. So if you have the ability to notify yourself when it becomes available, do it. They'll send you an email, and then be fast to buy it, or just check early in the morning or right before you go to sleep, and if it's available, sign in and purchase it, because they sell out like that. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, you guys. I'm very excited about this. If you have this, or if you're thinking about getting it, you can let me know. And yeah, bye, you guys.